Hey Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Moda All-Pro team, and I'm excited to show you the beautiful views that you're gonna get from this Cedar Heights condo. Come on, let's go take a look. You will love the spacious floor plan that this condo has to offer. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, beautiful views from almost every room in the house, a 12 by 32 foot boat slip, and tons of nice updates. You will love the gated community of Cedar Heights. It features 3 different pools, walking trails, a beautiful grounds, and it's close to restaurants, golf, and shopping. If you'd like more information about this great condo and an amazing complex, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.